ban tehlakam Droks ka jiialehkai ka deka wei kalat ka iarap iki kena ban lat nyong new jingdih. Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills as hawasti ha ka jingdon ringkat bar West P kila pyntip shekilat pathai khubor ba katkum ka jingyo lum jingtip kidan kumba san po hadu shispa ngot ki ba kerni hau Droks. Khubor penyat district ki tray shitam iarap iki kena ban lat nyong Droks ki le ban snai ki madani lehkai ha man lagi shnong ki pershang keran bat ki nong tray man ngobha bat ki shnong ban wanra ki kena ban lehkai ban lat nyong Droks namar ka jiialehkai ka deka wei kalat ka bala ban tehlakam no nyong Droks. Shushu loang ïadei bat ki kena ki belangop hau Droks ka bakong san ka dei ka jaka sumar ban sumar ki tu ki belangat ha ka jingdih Droks. Ki hap ya selok bat ki shnong ki nong yalam nyam ban ai training baper ki kena ban lat nyong Droks. Ula ben rap bor penyat district ki kloi ban tray lang bat ki shnong ki nong yalam nyam ki nong tray man ngobha na ka benta ban tehlakam Droks bat ki kerpat ya ka sorkar ba kanpo ka jaka sumar na ka benta ki tu ki bakerni hau Droks.
Probably how many substance abuse then
we don't have the exact numbers, but like in Lyngba, whatever, approximately serious will be around 50 to 100, like who are like drug addicts. But most of them are not in the full stage also, so they can be definitely rehabilitated in very easy stages. But who are very extreme levels might be quite a few, like 10, 15, 20, that much only.
So when you do the outreach, you
very encouraging. In fact, many times from the community leader side, they reach out to us that they want to do this program in the village. Can we send some resource person? Because they also understand that it is their future generation, their youth, which is getting lost. So everyone, all the community leaders, everyone is on the same page as far as this issue is concerned. And that is why we receive all the support from all the stakeholders. See, regarding this issue, we have adopted multiple strategies in last few years. One thing is to provide them some alternative where they can engage their minds. So what we are doing at the district level through district mineral fund that we are trying to build sporting facilities in as many villages as possible. And then we are engaging the NGOs. We are trying to engage some local village darbar also, so that they can involve some of those, some days in a week, they can bring those people who are involved in it, and they can make them into a team where normal people also play with them. They are engaged in such kind of sporting activities, because sports is a very big opportunity for our state and for people who are into drugs also to find an alternative way of life. So that is one thing. Other issue is people who are hardcore into drugs. For them, definitely rehabilitation center is required. First, they need proper medical care in a rehabilitation center for say 2 weeks, 1 month, and then only they can come back to a situation where they can get involved to these things. So for the rehabilitation center also, we have identified a suitable location. Building is there already. We are already in talks with one NGO who are willing to run it. And we just need the approval from the higher authorities also for that, because this thing cannot just be undertaken at the district level. There are many norms which a drug rehabilitation center has to follow. So once we fulfill all those norms and we get necessary permission, hopefully soon we'll have one drug rehabilitation center in East Giant Hills. So that is our approach. And also in last few months, there are still students and youth who are still not into it, but maybe their friends are into it, or maybe someone who they know, and there are high chances that they may eventually fall into the trap. So what we are doing is through social welfare department under the purview of Dream Mission, and also through the resources that we have at district level, we are doing awareness workshops in schools, soft skills program, where drug and substance abuse is one major thing in which we try to guide them what are the issues, involve the teachers. And then we are doing street plays and lot of things other than in schools. Sometimes we engage the youth organizations that are here, have some football match. After that we talk about these issues. We engage all church leader, community leader. So whatever stakeholders we have, through which we can provide awareness, through which the people will, through whom people will also listen to and pay heed to their words. So we are trying to involve all those stakeholders together, so that the people who are still not into it, at least we can restrict this issue to the people who are involved as of now. And for them also, as I told you, that we will try soon to get a drug rehabilitation center in the district.